This is Charlie again at reallynerdy.com and Really Nerdy page on Facebook. I had a couple questions about how do you actually put the pig together. Well, it's not a pig exactly, it's a Minecraft pig. It's a piggy bank. There's a little tab along the bottom. You line up the tabs and that gets the top lined up. I like to just give it a nice hit. And then the head should just fit in. And that's the way you put together a MyneCraft Piggy Bank. Print takes about 10 hours, and we'll just set up to do the next one. And that's all there is to it. This is Charlie at reallynerdy.com and Really Nerdy page on Facebook.